Welcome to this video on how artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing engineering and electrical installations. We will cover tools like NotebookLM, AI podcasting, and circuit design applications. AI tools significantly boost productivity. They save time, improve accuracy, and allow engineers to accomplish more complex tasks with ease. What is AI? It is software that learns from data to find patterns humans might miss and generates text or designs. Crucially, AI is a tool, not a replacement for engineers. It's an assistant that makes us more powerful, enabling tasks to be completed about 40% faster on average. Our first tool is NotebookLM, a free AI research assistant by Google. You can upload any technical document, like standards or manuals, and ask questions in plain English. It provides instant, accurate answers directly from your files. It can also summarize long reports or create audio overviews. The AI Audio Overview feature transforms technical documents into conversational podcasts. Simply upload your document, click Generate Audio Overview, and listen on site. This is excellent for understanding lengthy new standards quickly without having to read hundreds of pages. For circuit design, tools like Flux.ai and CircuitMind offer AI assistance. General-purpose AI like ChatGPT or Claude can handle calculations and code compliance checks. EasyEDA includes AI error checking in its free schematic drawing tool. Start exploring the free options first. AI supports electrical installations in key ways, calculating total load and recommending breaker sizes, checking voltage drop for cable sizing, suggesting fault locations from symptoms, and verifying design against code compliance. This comparison table helps you choose the right tool. Use NotebookLM for documents, ChatGPT or Claude for calculations, Flux.ai for PCB design, EasyEDA for free schematic checks, and Copilot for report writing. We can integrate these tools into a 5-step installation workflow. Research with NotebookLM, calculate using ChatGPT or Claude, design with EasyEDA, report using Copilot, and review with NotebookLM's audio feature. This saves substantial project time. The future of AI in electrical engineering includes AI designing full layouts, monitoring installations in real time, and generating inspection reports automatically. Your AI training will also become personalized. The engineer who uses AI well will always outperform the one who does not. The key takeaways are that NotebookLM reads your documents, AI audio creates podcasts, circuit tools, speed up designs, and AI can check calculations and compliance. Your action item is simple. Start with one tool, one task, and build your skills from there.